Yes, now we can discuss about operations management. My name is Ganesh and my YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. Then we can go into the subject. Operations management is the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. It is concerned the highest it is concerned with converting materials and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible to maximize the profit of an organization. What is operations management? Example is, for example, a theme park that delivers services such as attractions, food services, performances, and guest services. Service delivery can also include the process of operating an information technology service such as software platform. Then, what are the five functions of operations management? Functions and roles in operations management is planning and implementing manufacturing plants, managing projects, planning information systems, helping to design and develop products and services, managing inventory through the supply chain, managing delivery to customers in a timely manner, optimizing quality control. What is the role of operations management? Operations management is the business function responsible for managing the process of creation of goods and services. It involves planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling all the resources needed to produce a company's goods and services. What is operation manager duties? Operations managers oversee operational activities at every level of an organization. Their duties include hiring and training employees and managing quality assurance programs. An operations manager also strategizes process and improvements to ensure everyone completes their tasks on schedule. And 10 decision areas of operations management. Design of goods and services, quality management, process and capacity design, location strategy, layout design and strategy, human resources and job design, supply chain management, inventory management. These are the most important 10 decision areas of operations management. But we can discuss in detail. Location strategy means we can discuss in detail what is the location detail and quality management. These are the very good things we can discuss later one by one in detail. So now we are in the topic of operations management. We can continue that. What is OM strategy? That is operations management strategy. Intel Corporation's operations management strategy focuses on supporting product development as the basic factor in the 10 strategic decisions areas. Operations managers deals with these 10 strategic decisions for the purpose of optimizing organizational processes and productivity. Then, what are the six direct responsibilities of operations managers? Their direct responsibilities include managing both the operations process, embracing design, planning, control, performance improvement, and operations strategy. What are the operational skills? Operational management skills are traits that operations managers develop in order to effectively support business practices that maximize efficiency and achieve success. Then, what are the benefits of operations management? This is most important. Benefits means giving your company a competitive advantage, increasing your profitability, increased product quality, and ensures you comply with government regulations, increased customer satisfaction, helps in waste reduction, increased teamwork. This is the most important topics of all operations management. But in one line of discussion of increased teamwork means it is one topic only, but we can discuss later in so many hours if we discuss in detail. But we are discussing now about operations management concept in compact way. This is the information for the prosperity of operations management with fulfill demand and supply. Wishing you all the best.